Hello students, today we discuss the 7 commandments in Animal Farm. Animal Farm is an allegorical novella by George Orwell. It was first published in England. The book tells the story of a group of farm animals who rebel against their human farmer. After rebel, the animals decided 7 commandments. In the novel, old measures ideals are called animalism and then condensed into 7 laws. These are the 7 commandments, and these 7 commandments are created by Napoleon, Squealer and Snowball. The 3 pigs take it upon themselves to teach them to other animals. The 7 commandments are: whatever goes upon 2 legs is an enemy. It means human beings are enemies. Whatever goes upon 4 legs or has wings is a friend. It means all the animals and birds are friends. No animal shall wear clothes, because clothes are related to human beings. So it was decided that no animal shall wear clothes. No animal shall wear clothes. No animal shall sleep in bed, because human beings sleep in bed. So it was decided that no animal shall sleep in bed. No animal shall drink alcohol. Alcohol is also used by human beings. So it was also decided that no animal shall drink alcohol. No animal shall kill any other animal. It was also decided that no animal shall kill other animal. And the last, all animals are equal. These are the 7 commandments decided in the animal farm. But in the animal farm, the 7 commandments are broken by Napoleon and other pigs engaging in business with human beings, treating other animals brutally, wearing clothes, sleeping in beds, drinking alcohol, killing other animals, and establishing hierarchy and privilege on the farm. In this way, the 7 commandments were broken by the animals. An example of dramatic irony is when the commandment is changed, the animals think they remember it the way it was before, but they are not sure. The readers know that the pigs are slowly taking over the farm and instituting a totalitarian regime, but the animals do not know. In this way, the pigs were taking over the charge of the farmhouse, and they were becoming the dictator of the farmhouse. Particularly, Napoleon became the whole and soul of the animal farm. So in this way, these are the 7 commandments. I once again repeat the 7 commandments, because generally in the examination these 7 commandments are asked. First commandment, whatever goes upon 2 legs is an enemy. Second one, whatever goes upon 4 legs or has wings is a friend. Third one, no animal shall wear clothes. Fourth one, no animal shall sleep in a bed. Next, no animal shall drink alcohol. Next, no animal shall kill any other animals. And the last one, all animals are equal. Thank you.